it. Right. Right guys, and today we are at and we are supposed to be meeting Spanner.
We're waiting for Big Daddy Spanner.
Spanner is not here now.
We're waiting for Big Daddy Spanner.
Spanner. Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, that's my boyfriend. Can I touch your grip?
Guys, we're riding paddlers.
Guys, can I touch your Starshine Spanner?
Right.
Please don't touch your grip.
So we're just like want to see where he is. God knows where he is, lads. Right. Come back, these lads.
Wait, let's go bang on the door.
Spanner's a big puff.
Can I touch your grip tape? Go bang on the door.
Everyone's just waiting for Spanner. What grip tape has got? Oh, I got that matching grip tape, but mine's a little bit dirty. Alright guys, we're gonna go get a drink. There's freezing McDonald's. Freezing McDonald's. Alright guys, we are gonna go get a drink and we'll see back.
I'll go be in the video.
Right, this guy wants to be in the video.
Yeah, we go too. Follow me back.
We just broke a helmet, but cause we broke a helmet, can Spanner actually do a good trick?
Sorry.
Oh, he's gonna flare!
He's gonna play.
Doing! He still needs to get to. there. He wants to go over there, then he throws the stickers.
That's the talent scoop. Can I get a shout?
Who are you?
257.
Alright guys, shout out to...
257.
Okay.
Double Q, and I'll drive right.
Oh, nice, bro. Oh, close. I've Kicky's locked, not double Q's locked.
Kicky's easy.
That actually wasn't that bad. Can I get a firsty? Almost. Right, Faith's trying double heel.
Right.
And you go Faith.
Let's see how it goes.
Double heel. Oh, robbed. I go Faith double it. Then I'll back her up with double heel. Unlucky backups.
Alright,
let's get it.
I'll back you up with double what?
Yep. Double heel. Yes, I got it. Right, I got the double heel. Can Faith back us up in the double whip? Yes, she does. She backs me up.
I just actually changed.
Right, I'm going to do double whip up the bank. Double whip ups, double whip. Back ups. Run it back, I got snaked. Down this little gap. Whee. Move, move, move. Can't guess it. Hey, yo! This guy can 360 kicky. 360 triple kicky. He's really good. Don't go behind me! Okay, now. Let's go. Whip the hip. Whip the hip. 270. Alright, now we're gonna go get something to drink, guys. Right. Let's go see what's going on with Spanner. Right, use Spanner's taking a break now. It's just me, Austin. We're just messing about. Wait, let me go first, Austin. I'm gonna do a wall ride. Oh, that was a miller. Austin, he's high. And I've never done this.
Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Telling me you feel fine.